Hello, welcome back to Shamzmedia Academy, and this is Zaka Shamaki, and I would like to show you how you can be able to install Capture One 2022 in this year 2026. So without wasting much of our time, we like us to get down to the business of today. Okay, first, what you need to do is to head down and download your software. So I already have my software here. So I have Capture 22 version 15.4. I have Capture version 15.5, and I have version 16.6. So this 16.6 is the version where it enables you to be able to retouch your image. So what I'll be doing today is this version 15.4. so this what you need to do: head down, and this is your software. Run the administrator, right? So okay, select, then you come here and you accept, you agree, right? So see where your file will be saved in your local disk, then you continue. So you allow your software to download now. Okay, now that your software is done installing, you click finish. So let's go and open our software and see. Search for Capture One. Okay, okay, from this standpoint you can see that this software requires that you turn on your internet. So this is what I want you to do. You head down to this, right? Copy this, then you go down to your local disk, come to your profile, your program file, and you search for Capture One. So the one we actually installed was 2022 or 22, version 22. So you replace this, right? So now that this is replaced, let's go ahead and try again. If it does not work, we'll look for another way, right? 22. So as simple as that. So what I did was, you can be able to activate it without using an internet. So when we opened this software, you discovered that it was asking you to connect on internet. So when you just follow this video step by step, you will discover what we did and how we are able to arrive here. So just to put my name, Shammedia. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow, comment. If there's anything you're finding very difficult, don't forget, right? So this is the interface of Capture 122. So it's a very powerful software that you can use it to collaborate. So from here, so I will stop there for today. So I also bring you video on how you can be able to navigate, import pictures into this software. You can be able to collaborate anything. So thank you very much. I remain myself, Zaka Shamaki. See you next time.